You are really most welcome to this presentation, and this is algebraic to mathematics channel. We are going to understand how we can expand algebraic expressions using Pascal's triangle. But first of all, let us have the first one as the difference of two squares. And before we dive in, if you're on this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video and share. So in here we are going to compare these two. If I have the a minus b into brackets multiplied by the a plus b, so this is equal to the same as having the a multiplying the whole of these brackets, which is the a plus the b, then the negative b still multiplying with this second bracket, which is a plus b. So in here, if I multiply a by a, I'm getting the a squared, then a multiplied by b, I'm getting plus ab, then negative b multiplied by a, I'm getting negative ab, then negative b multiplied by b, I get negative b squared. Whereby if I critically look at these two, this ab and this cancel out, and we remain with the a squared then minus b squared. So this implies that the a squared minus b squared, which is our difference of two squares, is simply the same as having the a minus b, then the a plus b. So let us have number 2. But before we go to number 2, let us have the Pascal's triangle. It's called the Pascal's triangle. So let us come up with the Pascal's triangle. So it begins with 1. Then in here we are going to have 1, then 1 plus 1. This is a 2, then 1. Then still this is going to be 1. Then 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then 2 plus 1, still that is 3. Then a 1. Still we continue, this is a 1. Then 1 plus 3, this is giving us a 4. Then 3 plus 3, it's giving us a 6. Then 3 plus 1, it's giving us a 4. Then a 1. So the last one we can have 1. Then 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then 4 plus 6, that is 10. Then 6 plus 4, still that is 10. Then 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Then a 1. So as you can see, we are forming a triangle in this format. That's why it's called the Pascal's triangle. So now let us have number 2. And we try to expand. This is number 2. Let us try to expand the expression as the a plus the b by the whole of it squared. So if it is squared, it means that we are going to use the row number 2 here. So what we are going to use. So this is the same as having the a power 2, then b power 0 plus. So in here we are using the row 2, then plus 2, a power. Now this is 2 minus 1, then multiply by b power 1, then plus. So the coefficient is 1 plus the a power 2 minus 2 multiplied by b power 2. So as we simplify, this is the same as having the a squared plus 2ab plus the b squared. Since 2 minus 2 shall get a power 0, and the number power 0 is 1. Then when multiplied by b squared to have the b squared alone. Therefore, the expression which is a plus b, the whole of it squared, simply equals to this expression which is in here. We can have number 3. Number 3, let us try to expand the expression which is a plus b, the whole of it raised to power 3. So this is going to be the same as, so in here in the Pascal's triangle, we are going to use the third row, which is this. So the first coefficient is 1. That means even though we don't indicate it there, so we shall write a raised to power 3. But b is having power of 0 plus. So we check in the coefficient is 3. So plus 3, then a, I'm going to have the 3 minus 1. So then multiply by b power 1 plus. See the coefficient is 3 multiplied by the a raised to power 3 minus 2. Then b raised to power 2 plus the last coefficient is 1. So which is going to be the a raised to power 3 minus 3. Then multiplied by b raised to power 3. So as we simplify, this is giving us the a power 3 plus the 3 a power 2, then b plus the 3 ab squared plus b power 3. So simply the expression which is a plus b raised to power 3 equals to this expression. We can have the last one, the fourth one, which is the a plus the b, the whole of it raised to power 4. So this is the same as, remember the first coefficient is now 1. So we are going to have a raised to power 4. Then plus, we check the fourth row, which is this. So the next coefficient is 4. So simply we are going to have now 4. Then A, we reduce the power by 1. This is now raised power 3. Then B plus the next coefficient there is 6. So we have 6. Then A, we reduce the power by 1. This is 2. We increase the power by 1. Then B squared plus the next coefficient is 4. So we have it as 4. Multiplied by A, we reduce the power by 1. So we shall have just A. Then multiplied by B, raised power 3 as we have increased the power of B by 1 from 2 to 3. Then plus the last coefficient is 1. So I'm going to have it there. Then having B raised power 4. So therefore this becomes the expression to this as we expand. Let us have number 5. So you try out this A plus B, the whole of it raised power 5. We are saying that this is equal to which answer in form of when expanded. When expanded, it is equal to what? So work out number 5 and drop your answer in the comment section. I'll supplement on it. And thanks for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.